Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome to another Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And we're here on ICRT, which is a radio. 现在电台上面大家都是要用听的方式来收听 ICRT， 对不对？
对，
听很重要，所以今天来教跟听有关的一些生字好了。
好啊。
Okay, let's teach you vocabulary that's associated with listening, as you are listening to the radio right now, right? So, 听
糖
这么甜哦，糖哦，不是盐，是糖。
糖
啊，听别人说话是很甜的事情，所以记得了，糖。
听。
It sounds like sugar in Chinese, but it's actually listen in Hakka. 那可能会说，我喜欢听笑话。
爱好糖人讲笑口，
爱好糖人讲笑口，笑口就是
笑话。
笑话。Okay, that's I love listening to jokes.
那海陆腔的笑话，小扣。
听起来就好像还蛮好笑的哦。小扣。
对。
Okay, that's a different dialect for a joke. Okay, 听有的时候会听不懂，对不对？有些人听不懂英文，听不懂客家话，听不懂 I don't understand.
糖唔是。
糖唔是 So 糖 is listen and 糖唔是 means I don't understand. 那有些人听我们的单元就说，哎呀，我还是听不懂客家话。
爱糖唔是客家话。
爱糖唔是客家话 That means I don't understand Hakka. And that's why you should listen to this more, okay? 多听我们的单元就不会讲这句话了。
对。
OK, 再来一个好了，因为听 ICRT 常常会听歌曲，美妙好听的歌曲，所以好听。
后堂。
后堂 That means it sounds great. 我们造一个句子，这首歌很好听。
亚树狗诶，懂后堂。
That means this song sounds really great. 亚树狗诶，懂后堂。And finally, let's teach people how to say 听说。Okay, sometimes I heard of something or rumor has it. 就是有听人家说什么事情。Okay?
唐贡。
唐贡。Okay, that means I heard of. 听说这部戏很好看。I heard that this movie is great.
唐贡也出戲，懂好看。
唐贡也出戲，懂好看。Okay, that means I heard that this movie is great. Let's review these terms. 听 listen.
糖
just like sugar, right? 听不懂 I don't understand.
糖唔是
糖唔是 And this sounds great. 好听
后堂
后堂 And finally, I heard of. 听说
唐贡
唐贡 There you have it. All about listening right here on ICRT.
什么太噶？
俺子say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.